United Committee Manipur strongly condemns the decision reportedly taken by the centre to stop fencing the Indo-Myanmar borders in the Kuki-dominated areas. And addressing to the media persons, the president of the UCM, YK Dhiran, saying that the state is facing an issue of an influx of illegal immigrants from the Indo-Myanmar border. But the government of India deciding to hold fencing work at Kuki-dominated areas along the Indo-Myanmar border where cross-border movement is highly unfortunate. While urging the centre to complete the border fencing work in areas where entry of illegal immigrants is rampant, he said that places such as Sagang divisions and along the side of the Manipur, which shares the borders with the Chin state, give priority to border fencing works and complete it as soon as possible. UCM presidents questions how the government of India is planning to resolve the ongoing crisis of Manipur happening for the last 16 months by keeping the Indo-Myanmar border open in Kuki-dominated areas. These are the places where the cross-border movement of the illegal immigrants is high. He also expressed his doubtfulness that the government of India wants to keep the states in a restive hesitations to implement their hidden agenda. Dhiran added that the government should not engage in any activities which may escalate the crisis in Manipur. Dhiran also recalls that several times Union Minister Amit Shah stated that the drug issues and illegal immigrants were the triggering factors of present unrest in Manipur. Despite knowing the issues of the population's imbalance in the states, Government of India decided to fence Indo-Myanmar areas at Kuki-dominated areas and the completion in other places is unacceptable. He said that the UCM will put pressures on both the centre and the state government to complete the border fencing work as early as possible.